Hello, welcome to our instructional video today. I'm at Ironmongery World in Bradford, West Yorkshire. We're going to put some brackets on today. These are GNER brackets, very popular seller. See these 3 pilot holes, very simple to put on. I've already drilled 2 holes today, as you can see. Just simple holes with plugs, and we're going to go and put the brackets on. I would suggest if you are doing this at home that you use all the appropriate safety equipment. You may want to use gloves, there may be sharp edges, or safety goggles, especially when you are drilling holes. Okay, here we go. First of all, position the bracket correctly and the right way around. Sounds a bit daft, I know, but there we go. On position on one of the holes. Use a standard screw which you get with a packet. Cordless screwdriver or electric screwdriver, whichever suits your needs, and just screw in until secure. Lovely. You'd have another 1 point there and 2 points there. That's just ready for the next one. When you're actually drilling the holes, do make sure they're square and level, which I've already done. Position into the plug and drill in. There we go. We have got a second and third hole to make the shelf very secure. Okay, the brackets are now ready for the shelf. Just make sure you've got it central. And yet again, you must make sure your shelf is square to the brackets. Same at both edges. As you can quite see, that's a great product.